Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome to Everything Science. Today we are dealing with this problem. This is simplify, and this kind of question is typically exam question. Very much difficult for a learner to solve this kind of question or student. So let's begin. First thing, you will come to a sense that you realize that the bases are different, and you can't. It will be more difficult to solve this when bases are difficult. And someone who like to use calculator might say, okay, and then press the whole thing on the calculator, but you will find out that the calculator here write math error, and that will be a problem also. Then it might cause you a headache. So I'm here to help you guys. First, all you need to do is change the base so that the base will be the same. So all you need to do, you just go and press these four here and go press it here you on a calculator, and after pressing it you will realize that when you press it you say equals you, and after saying equals you go to shift, and after you go to fact, it will give you the answer, and that answer will be 2 to the power 2. And if you, it will give you 4, meaning it makes sense. So 8, you're doing the same thing. When you take 8, it will give you 2 to the power 3. It's very much important, guys. Note that. Now let's begin solving our problem. We are going to, here you just rewrite it, the things the way they are. You just rewrite them. Rewrite them is 2011, guys. Here it's 2011. Refer to the question. Here it's 2011. Here it's 2013. Then we divide. Don't forget to divide. Then we write 2. Then remember, this 4 here equal to this. Then we say it's what is 2 times, don't just say 2 and leave it, times this here. Then plus 2 again, and you say is 3 here, is 3 here. Then you say 6, this is 6, 7, 2. Then, okay, when you reach this kind of stage, then know that you are closer to the answer. Then all you need to do, because it's 2, remember I said refer to this question is 2011. Then you're going to take out the common factor first. Before you take out the common factor, you must multiply this, and if you multiply these here, you will realize that after multiplying, here is 2011. Here on on this part you need to refer, you need to rewrite. Actually, you just rewrite. Here is 2013. Don't forget, you are rewriting it. Don't start your new question, then divide by. Then you will realize that after multiplying these two here with 10, 11, you will get 20, 20, 22 here. Then plus, you say plus, and then you say 3 times this one. You will realize that it is 20 what 2016. Then let us make space, guys, because we are about to finish up. Then as we continue, we are going to say this, it will be 2 here, because And now our bases are the same. Look at it, our bases are the same, so we can take out the common factor. So the common factor, when you look it very carefully, you have to take the common factor of the lowest power. You realize that this is 2011, this is 2013, 2022, 2026. So the lowest power is 2011. This is our common factor, 2 to the power 2011. And after writing it, you will realize that, so this one, you don't know what to write here. First, all you need to do, you start by writing 2. I'll tell you what you need to write as your power. So you say 2013 minus 2011, then you get 2 here. Please guys, don't use your calculator when they say simplify, because shortcuts never cut. Then you'll realize that even here we are taking out the common. Then you'll realize that this 2011 is 2011 there. Then because 2011 and 2022 are not the same, you write 2 here. You write 2 here, and after you say 2022 minus 2011, you will realize that the answer is not 2011 but is 11 alone, 11. Because if you can go back to grade 10 stuff, you'll realize the exponential rule of the exponent. It says when the bases are the same, and when you multiply, you add the exponent. If we say 2011 plus this one here, this 11 here, it will give you 22, which is 2022. So it will give you this one here, so which is correct. So we say plus here, and after we say that 2011 minus 2016, then we'll get 2 here, and we say it's 5. Our exponent is 5. There we go, guys. Then basically you'll realize that this one cancel this one. So from there, it's 1 minus, then you can work it out. Remember, these 4 equal to this. So here, 2 to the power 11, you don't need to crack your head, just use your calculator. 2 to the power 11 is 20, 48 plus 32. Oops, 32. Then from there, it's where you can use your calculator, and the calculator will tell you the answer. No need to crack, just press your calculator like as I do now. You just say 20 and 48 minus plus 32. Then you'll realize that the answer is negative 3 over 2080. So this is our answer. Someone might think, but all you have to do, guys, remember the first thing to do is to make the same base, and after making the same base, you take that, you multiply, then you'll come to a point where you have to take the common factor, and this one is in a simple way to solve. And after that, when you get to this step, you multiply. You add. Just use your calculator, then you'll get all the things. Here it's negative 3, then over 2080. So guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.